Hello, class. My name is Susan Mendoza, and welcome to my Taste Kitchen. Today, we are going to go ahead and experiment with sour foods and their pathway into salivation. I only need a few couple of things. Something sour. I chose some limes. I'm going to use some cotton roll swabs to go ahead and dry the salivary glands to go ahead and calculate how long I can feel the salivation start. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, as instructed, is place some lime or lemon on our tongue and see how fast I can start feeling the saliva. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe in here. Start a watch. Oh, I felt it almost immediately. Um, I felt the sensation of my saliva accumulating around my cheeks in the posterior section, on the top, and underneath my tongue. Now, what could have caused this? Well, as we studied, we have different taste buds on our tongue. We have the circumvallate papilla, which form the V and separate the anterior 2/3 of the tongue with the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. We also have some foliate papillas on the side of our tongue. We have some fungiform papillas on the dorsal section of our tongue. And we also have the filiform papilla in that area. So what happens is when my saliva goes ahead and breaks down the molecules of the sour lime, they go ahead and enter the taste receptors on the taste buds through the pore. That goes ahead and starts a chemical reaction within the cell membrane, and that creates the resting action potential to go ahead and reach its action potential and stimulate the nerves. A couple nerves were stimulated during this process. We can go ahead and see the stimulation of cranial nerve 9, the glossopharyngeal nerve. That's the one that goes ahead and takes the taste sensation from the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. And then that does go ahead and send signals back down to the parotid salivary glands, and that goes ahead and regulates the rate at which saliva is secreted. The other nerve is the cranial nerve 7, which we know as the facial nerve. That one goes ahead and gets the taste from the anterior 2/3 of the tongue. It is also responsible for the sublingual and submandibular glands. So what I think happened is that when I tasted the sourness of the lime, it sent a signal to the brain, and in turn sent the efferent signal back out to go ahead and produce the salivation. Thank you.